everyone, welcome to Happy Trails Hiking. On this channel you will find information about park travel as well as living a healthy lifestyle. My name is Kay and I am happy that you are here. Today is Cast Iron Wednesday and this is a collaboration that was started by Dee from the channel Native Tearz. We got to meet up with Dee a year or so ago and I'm happy to be finally getting to join in this collaboration. So let's get started making our bacon Brussels sprouts. So if you had told me, 2-3 years ago that I was going to enjoy Brussels sprouts, yeah, it wouldn't have been a thing, and Matt would have told you the same thing. But we went to a restaurant in Vegas when we were out there, and it was called Beauty and Essex. And it's a really cool place in the Cosmopolitan Hotel. And they had an appetizer that was Brussels sprouts. So this is kind of what inspired us to get started with Brussels sprouts. Hope you enjoy the recipe as much as we did. The ingredients needed for this recipe are 2 strips of bacon, half a cup of chopped onion, a few Brussels sprouts, as well as some salt and some garlic seasoning. So to start, I want you to turn on your oven to 350 degrees. So let's do that now. There we go. While that's preheating, we need to chop up some bacon. So a couple of slices of bacon, and we're gonna chop those up, and then we're gonna use our cast iron griddle pan. This one's really neat. It came from Lodge, and it's a griddle on one side and a grill pan on the other. So we're gonna use the griddle side today. You don't have to use a cast iron pan, but you do need to use something that can go from stovetop into your oven. Once you've got your bacon all cut up, you'll want to add it to your cast iron pan. We've got it on a medium-high heat, and we're going to wait for that to warm up for just a second. So as these are sizzling, you want to stir them and add in your chopped up onion. While your bacon and onions are sauteing, you'll want to take your Brussels sprouts, trim off the ends, just a little piece, and maybe take a few of the outer leaves off. We found that some of them, especially if you get really big Brussels sprouts, can be a little tough. So make sure that you've got the inner leaves. It'll be nicer for you, I think. Got the last one to trim here. So just take that end off. Let's get just a smidge more. There we go. So it's nice and white on the bottom, and then take a couple of the outer leaves off. And then, since they're small like this, I don't mind just cutting them in half, but if you get really big ones, you'll want to cut them into quarters so that they have more surface area and cook faster for you. Okay, the bacon is sauteed, and now you see the bacon grease? That's what we're going to cook the Brussels sprouts in. So you want to take Brussels sprouts, cut side down, and put them into the bacon grease. I about forgot to season them. That would be awful. So We use a garlic and herb seasoning that we really like from our grocery store. If you didn't have this, you could use garlic powder and salt and pepper. So we're gonna use this and then some table salt. Okay, 12 minutes. Our 12 minutes is up, and I'm gonna get them out of the oven and show you the final product. All right, so here's our final product, and I'm gonna give them a taste now to let you know what I think. I used to not like Brussels sprouts at all, but since we decided to do bacon, onions, Brussels sprouts with this garlic seasoning, it's been really good. So, hot off the grill. So, by only cooking the Brussels sprouts and roasting them for 12 minutes, they still have a little bit of crunch to them, and that's good. The seasoning with the garlic and the salt really comes through, and that's wonderful. The bacon, of course, is bacon. Who doesn't love bacon? And the onions just add a little bit of that extra flavor. So, thank you very much for joining me today. Please share this with other folks who you think might like this recipe. And till next time, this is Kay from Happy Trails Hiking. Thanks for watching.